Alright, so let's go to our report and see some reports. Okay. Alright, so when I click on this invoice, remember you see different invoices I've written. So but we are just going straight to the report. So we go here. Now, before we come over to profit and loss, let's just go down. If you want to see sales by customer, that is, the total commission you have made from your supplier, from your partners, whether they have paid for it or they have not paid for it, the total commission that is due you, whether it will completely paid or not. This is where you click sales by customers. Then you select the period. Okay, so it's default is in this month, but you can actually select today. You can actually select this week or custom. When you click on custom, okay, when you click on custom, it asks you can select from this to this. Okay, so let me just leave it on default. So look at the total sales I have. You can click on the figure to see the makeup of this. And I click here, showing me what it is. So because what happened is that here, let me go down. So let's assume that within this period you're checking, you've done like 5 recordings for this person or 6 recordings for this person. The lump sum will be here. So when you now click here, you see the individual records, right? Okay, so then if you want to see from the property itself, like this is this partner, it's possible that one partner may have like four different properties. But if you want to see property by property I've registered, you click on sales by item. Okay, commission so far from each property. So it's telling you that you've done 2 recordings here. It is not really 2 recordings. Quantity sold, that is, this one means two plots. Remember it's by plot. So it will show you. Okay? When you click here, you also see the makeup of what is here. Alright, so let's go back. If you want to now see sales from salesperson, remember salesperson are your realtors. So sales, out of these sales you have seen, which one was the particular one brought by the source person, which is your realtor. So I click here. I wish there is a way I can change these names, but ERP has, sometimes ERP can allow it, but this one doesn't it has. Okay, so it is showing you that the name and you back, one sale, one invoice counts. Look at the amounts. Okay, you just need that is at the amounts. Okay, so what are the reports? You now want to see, okay, you've seen the total sales from these groups. So you might want to now see payment, the actual payment that you received. Okay? So the actual payment you have received, comes to payment, can you see payment received, that is the fourth report. I'm going to click on payment received. Okay? Then come down to show you different dates, like as they're paying is recorded. It's as the registering is coming up. So it's telling you this person. Look at the amounts. Total amount 500. That's how it was paid. 500. So here you see amounts you've received from each of them. Okay? This is how you see the amounts paid from each as you're registering. Okay? And that is that. I don't know if it actually meets your expectation. That is it. So here you see, as I'm making payments, you are seeing partners by partners, days by days. You can actually choose a very particular period. Okay? Also, let's keep looking at reports. Alright. Still here. We are here right now. Just that payment receipt. So when we come up here, we might want to see like those that owe us. So let's go to AR agent. AR means account receivable. So it's showing this person is owing us this amount. This information may be too much for you, so let's check the other one. Let's go to receivables. So receivables has to do with debtors. Okay, so let's see AR agent details. I think this is quite better. So it shows you the date. Look at the invoice. That this. The total amount is this. this is what he paid, and this is what is remaining. Okay, show you that a bit. Look at the total amount, and this is what is available. So what is remaining to be paid. Okay, you can also view the customer details. Okay, so you can just come here to see the balance details. You just see the balance. It show you invoiced amounts. I think this is quite fantastic. This customer balance summary is quite fantastic. Like, it's going to show you amount you've invoiced this person, amount this person have paid, what is balance. I think this summarizes what you want. So where did we see this? We saw it from receivables, customer balance summary. So you click on here to show you the name, amount you invoice this person within this period that you've chosen, amount you have received, and what is the closing balance. This is fantastic. I think this answers you. So just showing going around, just click around. This one says this receivable summary. This one says the name, total due, balance. I think I prefer this other one. Okay. So the next is, let's now go to our realtors. We'll go to purchases. Okay, now if you want to see purchases by vendor, that is payment you've made vendor by vendor. You click here. It's telling you that. Look at this person. One. What amount? 500k. This is that second. And so all these other expenses that doesn't have name, they will all appear here. All of them will lump up here. So you see a realtor's name, that this person. Look at the amount you paid. When you click here, to give you the details of what happened. Okay, you can even click on more and see more information. Okay, so and that is it. So let's go there and see other reports you can see under purchase. See where we got these purchases. Okay, so let's see by item. Okay, nothing will be here yet. I know nothing will be here because this is not a physical product. Okay, so we come down. We go to by category. You can click other ones, so let's go to by category. Here is where you to summarize how much you have paid so far for commission. It's not going to show you person by person. It's going to show you how much you spent so far by commission. Okay, so this is the report. Then other reports you might want to see your real profit and loss account. So let's go up. So remember what you have done so far from these cells. These 3 means it has 3 reports. You can see a total commission due from your partners, from each property, from each realtor. Then here you can see other several information, but this place gave us what we wanted to show us the amount that is due from the person, how much the person paid, and what is available. This will show us. Then you come down. Payment received. This is where you just give a breakdown of how the payment was received. Individual, how many times the person must have paid. Then here you don't have much here. Okay, you don't have anything there. Then let's go to the real thing. So here, your profit and loss. So I'll click on your profit and loss. It's telling you that your operating income, 2 million, like I said. Once sales has taken place, whether you have received money or not is an income. Yeah. Okay, so cost of goods sold, you don't sell physical product, but if you have expenses that you incur, like once you negotiate this deal with your partner, these are the expenses that must take place before you start selling. Then you let me know. I will teach you how to register. Okay? So you have sales, then look at your expenses. The commission you have paid to realtors, salary and wages. So you see why selecting account is good. You're going to summarize it. If you record another one, salary and wages, you're going to see it. Okay, so the period here is this month. You can do this year. anyhow you want to do it. As I've just said, accrual is the reporting basis. Don't select cash. Okay? Alright, so it's telling you this is your profit. Okay, this is your profit you have made. There is no non-operating income. If you have, you would have, when you tell me, I will tell you it's non-operating income, I will tell you how to register it. For now, what you have is operating income. So operating income means income from what you are doing. You are a real estate company. You sell properties and receive commission. So any money you receive from selling property, any commission you receive is operating income. So non-operating income, let's say that you decide to offer a consultation. It's really non-operating, except if it's part of what you do. Or maybe you could have a property, the company has a property now, you are renting it out to other people. Like I have a client, the house is for the client, he also rented that out. So when he receives money from the renting and he wants to register it in the software, we register it as non-operating income because he's not into real estate. Okay? Alright, so thank you so much. So this is it about it. There is still, this video will not exceed 15 minutes, so it's the time. So let's see cash flow. This cash flow, you may not understand it. Let me just show you. I don't want to bore you so much with accounting terminologies. This cash flow, you will not understand it. So we're going to use the information and the dashboard. Okay, so this is for your accountant to understand. So another one is balance sheet. There will be nothing much in there. No, there will be nothing in the balance sheet. Only your, yes, only this. Okay. So balance sheets, what's the difference between profit and loss and balance sheet? Profit and loss will just show you income you have received, expenses you incurred, right? But balance sheet is what will tell us how rich this business is. Just take a look at the information here. I hope this is not a stress to you. Okay. Assets. So here, if you have like physical cash, you're going to see it here. So this, it will show money you have in your bank accounts. It will show people that are owing you, money you're expecting from people that are owing you. Look at it. So, other assets like, if you pay rent, okay, you don't pay rent, but if you pay rent and record it as prepaid, the remaining one will be here. I don't want to bother you so much. Then if you have like fixed assets, building, any kind of fixed asset for the business will be here. Then liabilities, are you owing anything? They will be here. You come to equity, what you owe, like money you injected into the business. If you inject money into the business and you want to record it, let me know, I'll teach you how to do that. I don't want to do so much videos. I only want to do what I feel you need now. So your questions will determine the next one. So current year earnings, it has transferred that profits here as, you know, the earnings, right? If you also inject money into the business, it will be here. So balance sheet shows how rich an organization is, the position of the organization. The profit and loss just show how they are performing based on their sales and their expenses. I hope that is fine. Okay, so finally, let me show you this. Let me show you this. So for that cash flow, yeah. So look at this. When we went to profit and loss, it showed us income 2 million, expenses 430. But here, cash flow. So cash flow is for the money, the actual money this business. It's from the cash flow report you see the actual money. Because income and cash are not the same. Once you make any sell, let's say you are okay. Let me use wine. Let me use another business. Let me use a business that sells physical product. You sell something like wine. The person did not pay you, but you parted your goods. Well, I'll pay you tomorrow. You have received that. That is income. You've earned it. But this report is cash, the money at hand. So once you have made a recording that you've received this money, it will appear here. Or you spent this money to appear here. So this business have a profit of 1.4 million and are having a cash flow report of 430,000. You see, so this is how all these companies judge. They will judge your balance sheet, judge your cash flow, judge your income statements, and know whether this business is doing well. So thank you so much. I'll be expecting your questions to know what more to do. Bye.